Hello, Harvest here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix all issues with your Shien app on your iOS. So first thing what you want to make sure is that you have the newest version of this. You go here to the App Store, search Shien, you click on Shien, go down here. Oh, and I have the update button. Click the update button. Right now Shien is updating and updated, and you just click open and it should be alright. But if it's not, doesn't mean that you have some more likely issue. So you just go to settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, go here, you find your Shien app, Shien, and you should have all settings on Fabric, like photos. Photos doesn't matter, Siri, just to make sure, search, notification that don't matter, live activities, better to allow everything, background app refresh, better to allow, auto tracking, don't need to, you can, and language doesn't matter. But if you fix because of this, this is good. But if you don't fix your issues with this, you go here, remove the app, and you just need to reinstall the whole app again, and that should fix your all issues and problems with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.